In this lesson, I'm going to be quizzing you on minor bar chords based off of the 6th string. Let's go ahead and take the quiz and see how many you can get right. The first minor bar chord I would like you to play is going to be a C minor. C minor is going to be found right here on the 8th fret. The next bar chord I would like you to play is a G minor. G minor is going to be found down here on the 3rd fret. And the next minor chord would be a B minor. B minor is going to be found right here on the 7th fret. It's going to look like this. And the next one that you're supposed to play, how about an F minor? F minor can be found right down here on the 1st fret. Now I would like you to play an A minor. A minor is going to be right here on the 5th fret, because the note A is right here. Alright, now I would like you to play a D minor. D minor can be found up here on the 10th fret, because we have D right here, because it goes A, B, C, D, so it's going to be right here. It's hard for me to get my middle finger out of the way there, but because normally I just kind of hold it kind of hanging out up here. Alright, next I would like you to play a G sharp minor bar chord. G sharp minor is going to be found right down here on the 4th fret. And the last chord I'd like you to play is a C sharp minor. And C sharp minor is going to be found right up here on the 9th fret. So that was your quiz on the minor bar chords based off of the 6th string.